Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the input.GetAxis function in Unity to create smooth and responsive player controls. What is input.GetAxis? Unity function used to read user input smoothly from devices like keyboards, joysticks, and controllers. It returns a value between -1 and 1, allowing for gradual movement instead of instant jumps. First, let's take a look at Unity's Input Manager. Unity provides a built-in way to handle player controls using the input class, allowing us to detect keyboard, mouse, and game controller inputs. Understanding how the system works is essential for creating smooth and responsive gameplay. So let's dive in and explore how it functions. In this example, we are using GetAxis to detect player input and smoothly move our character along the X and Z axes. Unlike GetKey, which only detects whether a key is pressed or not, GetAxis provides a gradual transition between values, making the movement feel more natural. However, if you prefer a more instant and responsive movement, you can use GetAxis Raw instead. Now, let's implement this in Unity and use it to move our cube around the scene. Now, we will use transform, translate to apply these input values and move our character. The values we get from input.getAxis will determine the direction of movement, and transform, translate will update the position accordingly. Alright, now that we've implemented the movement script, it's time to test it. Let's press the arrow keys or WASD and see if our character moves smoothly in the scene. If everything is working correctly, we should be able to control the movement seamlessly. Let's give it a try. Yes, as you can see, our code is working successfully. The input values are being read directly from the game engine, allowing us to control our character smoothly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.